Here at AMZ Prep, we make onboarding seamless. Here's a quick glimpse of what the first 30 days of your experience with AMZ Prep will look like. Once you sign your agreement with AMZ Prep, your account manager will introduce you to your on-site ops manager, along with your onboarding manager. Between these two, they will help you navigate the waters for the first 30 days between daily check-ins, weekly reviews, and helping set up our WMS system inside of our warehouse and integrate your e-com store so that we can actively fulfill orders. We then submit the first inbound and we'll decide how we want to prep that product. Whether we're doing customized packaging, we'll prep that with your onboarding manager before we go live. Now, the last step of what we do is we'll set up your shipping accounts. What this allows you to do with eShipper is seamlessly enable 20+ carriers from any of our facilities around the world to allow you to ship more effectively, more streamlined, and have your own cockpit for all things visibility on your shipping, your tracking, and how much money you're spending, along with how to optimize those costs. And the last and most important note is that we go live and we celebrate the wins with you. We'll be fulfilling the orders daily, giving you guys visibility weekly, and strategically looking at your brand on a month-to-month basis to talk about how do we grow together, what opportunities look like, new markets, new channels, new countries, all through AMZ Prep.